Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How is everybody doing? Thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to cover this little abstract design. I don't even know what to call it. I keep calling it abstract because there really is no rhyme or reason to it. It's just a couple little dots with some stamping on it and a line. So I call it abstract. Do you have a better word for it? Let me know. So we're going to start off with some influencer, and I'm using one of our largest dotting tools here to get some polish on here. I'm just going to do a random little round half circle, if you will. Let's give that a full cure. All right, now that that's dry, let's go with Lady in a Dress, and maybe we'll do a little bit of a circle in here this time as opposed to a half a circle. Now what I'm going to do is take a smaller ended dotting tool just to help refine the edges of this circle a bit. Okay, I like the looks of that, and we're going to give that a full cure too. Okay, next we're going to take our long striper brush, which is the thinnest brush that we have. Little bristles, little amount of bristles, but long. Okay, I'm going to run it through Raven's Kiss and then just draw a line. And let's give that a cure. All right, now for the stamping time, we're going to use stamping plate number 8, this bubble design right here. Just put a little bit of polish across the top and then use the scraper to scrape it down. Okay, that looks good. Let's take our stamper and press it down. Have a nice design there and stamp it right on the nail. All right, so now we're going to take a cleanser pad, and I just happen to have one here handy. We want to take all of the polish that is around our cuticles and on our skin. We want it completely off before we put it underneath the lamp. And we'll put that under the lamp for a full cure. Now we'll take a coat of Clearly Frisky and just put that over the design. I find that the stamping polish is not as bright and shiny as our regular polish, so I like to put this over just to add a little bit of shine back to the nail. Okay, we'll get that a full cure. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and be ready for my next one. Ciao, ciao for now.